Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. A few days ago, I had started a GKGS practice class for the SSC CGL Exam 2025. I have already done two classes and from today I'm starting again, and this is the third class. I hope these classes will be beneficial for your exam. So make sure to watch the video till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, let's start. So the question number one, which newspaper was started by Mahatma Gandhi to promote his ideas in South Africa? Option number C is the right answer, Indian Opinion. Question number 2. Niti Aayog replaced which previous government planning body? Option number B, Planning Commission. Question number 3. At the time of independence, which industry was one of the most well established in India? Option number C, Textile industry. Question number 4. The Lavani dance, known for its powerful rhythm and expression, belongs to which Indian state? Option number B is the right answer, Maharashtra. Question number 5. The first Indian Olympic Games was hosted by which of the following cities? Option number A, Lahore. Question number 6. Which Chinese traveler visited the court of Harshavardhana? Option number C is the right answer, Sang. Question number 7. Harshavardhana was defeated by which southern king in the Battle of Narmada? Option number A, Pulakesin II. Question number 8. Under which article of the Indian Constitution is the Union Public Service Commission UPSC established? Option number B is the right answer, Article 315. Question number 9. The Lu wind is particularly prevalent in which part of India? Very important question. Option number B is the correct answer, northern and northwestern India. Question number 10. Pandit Ramnarayan was associated with which of the following musical instrument? Option number 3 or C, Sarangi. Question number 11. The tripartite struggle was primarily fought between which three dynasties? Option number B, Pratiharas, Rashtrakutas and Palas. Question number 12. Guru Ghasidas is associated with which religious sect? Option number C is the right answer, Satnami sect. Question number 13. What does real GDP account for that nominal GDP does not? Option number B, inflation or deflation. Question number 14. The SI unit of specific resistance or resistivity is? Option number B, ohm meter. 15. World Environment Day is celebrated on which date every year? Option number B, June 5. Question number 16. Subansari, Jiavarali, Dhansiri and Puthimari are the major tributaries of which river? Option number A, Brahmaputra. Question number 17. Which of the following groups are specifically mentioned in Article 46 as needing protection and promotion? Option number C, scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and other backward classes. 18. Vishu is celebrated primarily in which state of India? Option number D is the right answer, Kerala. Question number 19. At which Olympic Games did Abhinava Bindra win the gold medal? Option number 3, Beijing Olympic 2008. Question number 20. The concept of independence of judiciary in the Indian Constitution is taken from the Constitution of option number C, the USA. 21. Which of the following was a key factor that contributed to the success of the Green Revolution in India? Option number A, introduction of high yielding variety HYV seeds. Question number 22. Sangpo and Jamuna are the other names of which river? Option number 4, Brahmaputra is the right answer. Question number 23. The first Battle of Panipat 1526 was fought between which two major forces? Easy question. Option number A, Babur and Ibrahim Lodi. Question number 24. Bhupen Hazarika was awarded the Dadasaheb Phalke Award in which year? Option number D, 1992. Question number 25. Who founded Belur Math? Option number B, Swami Vivekananda. 26. Castling is related to which of the following sports? Important question. Option number 4, chess is the right answer. Question number 27. Who among the following was the shortest serving Prime Minister of India? Option number 2, Gulzarilal Nand is the right answer. 28. Umayalpuram K. Sivaram is an eminent musician associated with which of the following musical instruments? Option number 4, Mridangam is the right answer. Question number 29. Jawaharlal Nehru Port JNPT is located in which state of India? Option number A, Maharashtra is the right answer. Question number 30. A deficit budget occurs when which of the following happens? Option number B, government expenditures exceeds its revenues. 31. Rottela Panduga or the Roti festival is celebrated in which Indian state? Option number 3, Andhra Pradesh is the right answer. 32. In the context of Mathura School of Art, during which of the following periods were a number of sculptures or Brahminical deities such as Kartikeya, Vishnu and Kubera carved? Option number 4, Kushana. 33. Where is the headquarters of the United Nations Development Programme UNDP located? Option number B, New York City, USA. 34. If a bar magnet is hung from a string, in which direction does it North Pole point? Option number B will be the right answer, north. 35. Which of the following Goan folk dances of Goa, folk dance of Goa, is usually performed by women in a circle with clapping hands? Option number A, Fugdi is the right answer. Question number 36. Who was one of the prominent leaders of the Gadar party? Option number B is the right answer, Lala Haradayal. And Gadar party was founded in 1913. Question number 37. Under which article of the Indian Constitution is the establishment of high courts in India provided? Option number 1, Article 214. 38. GST in India was implemented on which date? Option number 2, July 1, 2017 is the right answer. 39. Which of the following is considered the oldest classical dance form in India? Is the question. Oldest classical dance form. Option number A, Bharatanatyam. 40. Which type of molecules does trypsin primarily breaks down during digestion? Trypsin is an enzyme primarily breaks down during digestion. Option number 3, proteins. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.